Una do. How una dey? You see those of una where they say I want to belong. Now they say I want to belong. I be Oversabi. I dey do busybody. Now so I be. Make I tell una my short story as I take marry Oyibo where I take born baby girl. May I tell una. Not be today I start out. You don't take. I never enter social media before I start to do busybody. I want to belong. I mean no pass. Let me be intelligent. Let me go school pass. He don't say. As I take born my baby girl for Oyibo. That's how Oyibo they reign. No. People they marry Oyibo. You know. Now I can't say me no go. I not go be the last. So I must born Oyibo Pikin. Now I can't find one Oyibo. This Oyibo where I find so. Hey my people. If you drink, you go fall for gutter. You go piss for body. You go shit for body. I no care. Now I carry. Now I say, I must carry this one. The Oyibo no love me. Waiting that they call shekele love. You no get for me. Me, I no care. So far, make me born that Pikin. Because why? One of a person where I know that one born Oyibo. Now I say, me must born. You think that today I start to see say I want to belong. I want to be like that one. Not be today. It don't take. Now I can't carry this Oyibo. This Oyibo carry me chance. The family they not like me at all. They not like me. They say, what do you want to use this one to do? Now me with the Oyibo come, they like, you know, they smoke, they follow everything. We can't do everything together. The Oyibo say, me we just they like that. Now I say, hey, me I get my plan. I say I must born Oyibo. If I not born Oyibo for this abroad, they like hire. Not be smart here. Now me with the Oyibo, we come they do something. Oyibo say, it don't agree. Make spam enter. If spam enter, you will carry belly. Hey, now say why they want now, eh? Only my higher be another one now when you stay born. Oyibo no dey gree. Can you imagine? As I young reach that time, spam no dey enter my body. If Oyibo just dey do, I go just come out. You go say because he no want make it born for them. No be one day. Oyibo don't drink, he don't smoke, or don't fall for gutter. As I carry am reach house, Oyibo don't drink now. As we just dey do. The Oyibo no come remember again. Now I say, expand me there. The Oyibo no know. Next time, just enter. Hey, now I can say, thank God, oh, I don't see catch this one. This one don't see enter. Now so I can't take get belly. As I get the belly, now this month, yo, the Oyibo the verse. He don't love me. Oh, salobua. Now say, by the king, or me bona, me must born now. I must born this Pikin. Una like her, and not like her. He can biomona. I can't do everything. Even the mama said that they drive us. We go sleep for garage. We know they eat food. They know they give me food. I did there. I said, this Pikin, una must carry am by force. I must born am for una with force. Not be smart, yo. Now make her no good. If person not love you, not force her. If you force am born for her, you are on your own. Me, Oversabi. I had to know. I not agree. That's why I can't do there. Oh. Maybe one day I can't see Usain I give man this Usain one can't finish. He want can't finish my enemy. Oh, make what I go can't do. I can't sling. I can't be like what they not they use again. If you see me, you know here now get me auntie again. Me no me auntie no koko still oro. I not a cause select nothing. Akpe amarebo no dey. Not be small. Now I say as I don't born this Pikin now what I go do. Papa no dey, mama no dey, brother no dey, and the country where I dey get as it be. Oyibo now, if you don't drink finish, you go fall for inside gutter. If you just come house, igbo, no love, nothing. Now I can say, what I go can't do. I must come out for this country. I want find one way, I want to run no. Make I run, carry Pikin, the Pikin when I born. God I beg go. I said this Pikin me not go live on for year because why? Mama no love me, family no love me. The man where I born for, I force her say I must born for you. Now I say born for them. Now I say okay, if I want to come out, I'm not go live on for them. I must carry this Pikin. My people, wait till I pass through because of say I want born. I must belong. I want to belong. Wait till I pass through. If I tell you now, you see this my brain. It's scatter. Oyibo scatter from my hands. Oyibo scatter this my brain from my hands. Wait till I pass through. Oh, the mama of this my brain they scatter. If I tell you now, wait till I pass through. Just the name of say I want to belong. I want born for Oyibo. Who sent me? I don't know. Do your thing. You where I be say I want born for Oyibo because black in young benejo in your warrior me zanzanua. Now say lie even though say the Oyibo na or danyo diku make I carry. Now I take carry. Mona not to blame me. Now I take carry. As I dey talk and they go, my people. Now I go say, okay, what go happen? I no fit stay again. Akpa mare buero. Today they go break my leg. Next tomorrow they go break my head. Now I say, make I come out, make I carry my pikin, make I run. Now I take carry my pikin. As I dey run, they go. Now I say, which country I can't go now? Now I say, they say this side go. They say this guy go. If I tell you now, wait till I don't see. Una just they see me for social media say I fine. I can't they make up now because I don't know what they tell they do it before. This Oyibo is scatter my brain from my hands. Now I make me they do because this my brain is scatter. It's scatter. Now I can't carry pikin. I can't run no. As I run, the Oyibo no cook my evil sense self whether you carry pikin, whether I not carry pikin. Suffer where I suffer for the country where I go. I suffer for the country where I go. Train station, I just sleep with my pikin where I born. So for me and me, I carry that pikin I born now. That be my own. It's just that way. Now me can't use that pikin to suffer all this suffer. My people. Now the Oyibo can even come out and say, carry the go. I don't even need you. I don't even need the pikin. Anywhere where you like, maybe they carry the go. Now I say, carry my pikin. Now I can't suffer, I can't do everything. I can't say the country. I can't be single mother. I can't do everything. I can't say lie, no man for my life. Make them just they go. I don't need down. My Nigerian man, Benejo, Oyibo self where I even carry. Even Benejo. Now I say, I don't go love again. Because they know they love me. Now me they love them. Now me they love them. I go say they must love me by force. Mona ask me whether not by force they say they love person. Not be by and I me they claim say I go school. Now me they claim say I dey intelligent. Me no come reason now say not be by force they say they love. This love now small they come. I will just carry down say una must love me. If you don't love me, I go do the I go they do it for them. They say now that one they say they love. Now I can't carry this pikin or we can't suffer everything. We can't the man not they care. Even to send 1 cent, can't give this pikin. He not even care. My people wanna ask me. Person way not even care about the woman way carry the belly. He go care for about the pikin way boo. He not send it now. So I tell they can't they carry they go. Now I can see one man. The man can say, how are you? Before I say how are you, now I say I love you. Hey, I know that one don't see come. Now I still say carry this one where I did so. Now I say carry this one where I did so. I don't know why they look for person where not love me. I go they love them. I don't know. Make I go therapy. I be make I go this one now where I even deal with. I don't know whether they even love me. And I don't born for her. I don't know papa. I don't know mama. I don't know where they. I don't even know their street. The son away they document whether not the real one. Me I don't know. But I don't born for her. I don't born for her. I never go in country. I never even know where they did. Mona advise me. I just got to beg. Now what I do? What I go do? This man they say he love me. And they better not be say he don't talk like that. Oh, then I mean they look and say he love me. I don't too suffer for this life. Oh, I don't too suffer for this life. Oh, Oyibo do it. Oh, our country people. Oh, they do their own. That make me say I don't go Nigeria. I don't go carry again. That make me go see say I go Africa. Another place for Africa. But this one I don't know the family. They never even see my children. I don't know whether not true. They tell me if you say make I talk to your papa and your mama whether they be real. I don't know. May I go therapy? I mean, may I just live? I don't want to advise me. What I go do? I don't just know. They my busybody too much. Anywhere where I just reach down, say your busybody too much. Your Oversabi too much. Your I want to belong too much. I not sabi day my day. Me like say I go meet doctor. Mona advise me. What I go do? They know they love me. I mean they love them. And then I go say me they love me by force. If I want to do friendship now by force, so you must be my friend by force. So oh Jesus, oh he must scatter my brain for me. That's why I say, "Bon my girl." I say me I can't bring and come for now. make I go therapy, abi make I just wanna advise me. Some say make I go therapy. Some say me I dey do like dog wey dem lose for outside. Oh Jesus! Because if I dey talk to person, I no dey respect o. If I gbin ya, cause who curse me, no curse me, curse all of them.